TOSOT Bathica is the master distributor for HVAC equipment in both Canada and the United States. They recommend and work with the guys at RectorSeal. Their accessories are really the best for mini-split applications, which is exactly what we're doing here at the Sopwith Motorsports Racing Shop in East Central Indiana. So this is literally an active construction site. The guys just got in here last night, and these are hand-picked professionals that are the best in the business. Jerry Wagner is a direct representative and an executive with TOSOT Bathica. We had Dennis that came up from the Atlanta, Georgia area. Devin came from Quebec, Canada. And so we've got just a fantastic crew here to get the ultimate man cave that I'm after.
I think what appealed to me and to our company about your specific application here, Stephen, is that it does bring us into a market where we want to get some attention. And that is, like you say, the man cave, the garage, the race shop, whatever it may be, where traditional ducted systems are going to be very, very difficult to install and frankly expensive to install. The reason I took the approach of spot cooling and spot heating is because as the building stands right now, there's no insulation whatsoever. It's a steel manufactured building. Yeah, we can condition the entire area. We will do that, but as you can see where we set up an individual indoor high wall mount evaporator essentially facing each bay door, and then a fifth one at your office area or your workshop area. You don't need to have the other four on when you're in the workshop, and vice versa. Wherever you're working, you can utilize that singular evaporator.
This is fun. I mean, I've got friends here. You know, Jerry and I have known each other for a few years now. He and I are both car lovers. When Dennis and Devin came in, they were telling me like, oh, pop the hood on your Mustang. We want to hear it run. It's fun to work with car guys because they understand the climate and the atmosphere and the shelter that I need for my classic cars. And they clearly like and enjoy what they're doing as well.
I dig what I do. I really, really do. And I hope I have at least another 5 years in me doing this. It's a blast. And I work for a great company. I'm on the road about 36 weeks out of the year. I've conducted training now in 47 states and 7 provinces, numerous countries, including China, Latin America, the islands. The guys here today, Dennis and Devin, wonderful people, friends, and my boss, Guillaume Calais, the most wonderful employer I've ever had over my career. And I've done a few things.